Avalon Advanced Materials has been in the critical minerals business for close to 20 years. We've got a broad portfolio of assets around the country, but of course the talk of the day is on lithium. Separation Rapids is our focus at the moment, and our vision or aspiration really is to get that project become a sort of a key catalyst for that entire region in northwestern Ontario. We did some early stage development or drilling in 2016 and 2018, and we've got a strategic drilling program underway right now. There's a lot of work ahead, and we need everyone to be working together. But that bottom-up response needs to come from industry. We know where the grinds are. We're in the trenches every day. So I think that collaboration, that's a competitive advantage for Western economies. And we're talking about a generational investment opportunity.